Hello guys, welcome to Unboxing Tech and subscribe. Today we are going to unbox the M.readan 5, so let's do its unboxing. Now moving to specification. The M.readan 5 comes with a larger 1.1-inch colored AMOLED display that features over 100 new animated watch faces. The fitness tracker now has 11 sport modes and offers personal activity intelligence (PAI) activity index that helps users track and understand their fitness activity even better. Additionally, to efficiently track sleeping patterns, Xiaomi claims that the sleep monitoring accuracy feature is improved by 40%. The M.readan 5 further comes with a heart rate sensor, and female users can now track their menstrual cycle with the women's health mode. Users will also get social media notifications, music control, incoming calls, text, weather updates and more on the smartband. There's also a new remote control camera feature that lets users click a photo from their smartphone. The smartband comes with a built-in microphone to enable voice commands. The Xiaomi claims that the NFC variant of the M.readan 5 offers 14 days of battery life, while the standard version lasts up to 20 days on a single charge. The NFC variant of the M.readan 5 will allow users to make payments via the band. Thanks for watching the video.